Hello everybody, this is Carl Jones and wanting to revisit a tune called Muddy Creek on the banjo and D tuning that I taught on my workshop and concertwindow.com today. And got Aaron Marshall joining me on the guitar, and we'll play it a few times. And roll up your jeans and take off your shoes to Muddy Creek. Here we go. Muddy Creek, that's a pretty tune, and it's from John Masters, as recorded by John Harrod, who we just got in a nice visit recently in Kentucky, and back in the 1970s. And it's related to a tune called Morgan on the Railroad that a lot of people play, I think, or more people play. That is, I'm gonna get Aaron on her fiddle to play, and it's the same phrases, but kind of played like a AABB maybe.
Each part's repeated.
Each part's repeated. So we'll try that and notice the similarity and give them both a try. You can go to slipperyhill.com and hear the audio for these. And I hope you'll tune into future concert window workshops. Look for Aaron Marshall and Carl Jones on the schedule, and I think you'll enjoy them. We're having a lot of fun. I think you will have fun too. So here's Morgan on the Railroad. I'm going to try to hop on the tracks and stay with her. See what happens here. Go ahead. I'll get in there. Thank you, Aaron. That's a beautiful tune as well. I had to kind of find my way, but that's the way the banjo works, as we talked about on the session earlier today. So hope you'll try that tune, Muddy Creek, and then Morgan on the Railroad, out of the same family. And enjoy playing the banjo or the fiddle or guitar, whatever you pick. And thanks so much for checking out the concert window sessions.
And our website is www.dittyville.com.
That's right. I'm going to check that out right now.